Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of Object Oriented ABAP with me Amrit on YouTube. So we have discussed lots and lots of things, right? And we started the concept of this ALV object in our SAP system. We saw there are total 3 ALVs, and very first implementation we did was for reuse ALV list display, right? So this is a classical ALV which displays the data in a typical list format, which is not that much preferred by the users. Then we have this second variety of ALV in our normal ALV format. Its name is grid display. So this is more used comparing it with the list display format. Yeah, it is more used comparing it with the list display format. So let's try to understand it. We will do the same implementation. I will go to my SAP system. Let's go to SAP system. I will go back to my SE38 ABAP editor and I will create my grid display. So here this time I will create here grid ALV grid display. Okay, ALV grid display. Type as executable. We will pass the name of the package and we will pass the transport request. Yeah, perfect. We have this, right? We will take a requirement here also. So I will take here a requirement to display the, let's say, material master data this time from Mara table, right? I'm going to use the Mara table. So what is our always approach? We follow very first, we always follow mainly 5 steps. 5 steps is the very first step is to declare the structure and corresponding internal tables, right? So I will declare my structure for my Mara table. So begin of type keyword is used, right? So begin of ty my Mara table, and I will use the fields material number, MTART, its data element, industry sector data element, MBRSH, material group. So type material group, let's say basic unit of measure. So type basic unit of measure, right? I'm just using it. I will do the end of ty Mara and my local structure has been created. Then I will create a corresponding internal table and work area. So LT Mara, type table of ty Mara, and I will declare a work area for it. So ls Mara, like line of LT Mara. This is another way to declare the work area. However, if you want, you can also use type the work structure name. So very first, second is to take input. Step 2 is to take input from the user. So I will create a select option. For that we need a variable. So LV Matner, type the data element of material number and then select option. So I will name it S Matner for LV Matner. I'm gonna name it this thing, right? Third is we will write the logic. So step 3, write the logic. I will use my start of selection event and I will write the logic select Matner MTART MBRSH material group MEINS. I believe the order is same, order must be same, otherwise you can get a runtime error. So from Mara table into table LT Mara, and the where condition where the material number in S Matter, right? I will check the if not initial condition. So if LT Mara is not empty, then I will simply write my logic for ALV, where I will follow the fourth and fifth step, creation of field catalog, right? So for the field catalog, I need to declare my internal table and work area for the field catalog. Data LT field cat type table of my slice field cat ALV, and I will have a corresponding work area for it, ls field cat type slice field cat ALV. Okay, I have declared the work area and internal table. Once this part has been declared, we will create our field catalog. So very first field catalog, field cat, field name is my material number, ls field cat, cell text L, material number, append ls field cat to LT field cat, and I will simply clear the work area. So clear ls field cat. Okay, our very first column or very first output structure of the field catalog has been created. Then for the second column, it is my material type, so MTART, material type. Third column, MBRSH, or you can call it material group. MBRSH is industry sector, so industry sector. Okay, then next one is MATCAL or material group, and the final one is basic unit of measure, or we can call it MEINS, so unit of measure. Once this part is ready, we can use our grid display function module. So call function reuse ALV grid display, control shift space enter. See, we are able to get our function. We will uncomment this exporting, and we have again here a field catalog option. It is expecting a internal table data, so I will pass my internal table of field catalog. Then we have a tables parameter here, so I will pass here my table LT Mara. I will uncomment the exception and I will activate the program. So 5 steps, guys. This is my 5th step. Bind the data with the field catalog. Bind the with the field catalog. Step 4, creation of field catalog. Right? These are the various 5 steps that we need to display any ALV. Write the logic, declare the structure, take the input, write the logic, create the field catalog, and get the output. Let's find it out. I will activate the program. I will execute it. I will pass any material number here and I will do the execution. See, we are able to get the output. This is your grid display function module, and you can see here also the same approach. Sorting, sorting is there. We can apply. We have this text processing, local file downloading. We can export the ALV into local system. We can send a mail also, right? So this is the approach of your grid display. We will see some more features of this grid display in the next session. So this is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Please do not forget to like and share. We will see you again in the next part.